Hi, and welcome to this safeMedicate video tutorial. In this tutorial, we'll take a look at how to schedule a flexible assessment for your learners. All assessment bookings are made from a single place, whether your learners are working with our essential or advanced skill modules. Okay, let's jump straight in and open the Assessment Manager. Hovering your mouse over the Assessment Manager menu will open up a sub-menu. Select the third option, Assessment Builder. So the first option to choose from is whether you want to edit or add a rubric. For this example, we're going to select the Add a Rubric option and click Add a Rubric button, which appears on the right-hand side of the screen. Next, an Assessment Rubric Details panel appears with a drop-down menu with the available modules. We're going to choose the Essential Skills 2018 Rubric module from the Assessment Rubric module drop-down menu. Then, select an area of practice from the drop-down menu. This option determines the type of medication and complexity level of questions that will appear in the assessment. For example, choosing Progression Point 1 will construct an assessment with problems drawn from all medication domains except IV infusions, and problem complexity including unit dose problems, sub and multiple unit dose, and problems requiring conversions of SI units. Note, click the question mark symbol if you are unsure of what these options mean. For this example, I'm going to choose Adult. Now, the next option to appear is the Assessment Rubric panel. Note that the maximum number of each type of question differs with each area of practice in the selected domain. For example, for IV infusions, a maximum of 10 questions can be added to either the mils per hour or drops per minute domains. When adding questions to the mils per hour domain, a corresponding question can be added optionally for drops per minute. So for example, a rubric could include 10 mils per hour and 10 drop per minute questions. Of course, either of these domains can be added independently. Now, choose the total number of questions you want selected. Note how the number changes automatically on screen for each domain as they're selected. The next option to choose is the Assessment Rubric name. Now be sure to add an Assessment Rubric name that is easily identified and click Save. The rubric will now appear as an option under Format in the Assessment Builder and can be selected by using the Load Preset drop-down menu. Now that's it for now, and if you have any further questions about this tutorial, then please visit our user guides or get in contact with a member of the team.